San Diego Unicum, American 83, taxiing to runway 27. San Diego Unicum, American 83 is taking off runway 27, remaining in the pattern. Descend and maintain 12,000. American 83. American 83. Turn left heading 290. Turn left heading 290. American 83. Navy 22. You're in an active airspace. Please contact Sokol approach on 124.5. Sokol approach. Delta 75. With you. Delta 75. Roger. American 83. Turn right heading 290. American 83. Please follow instructions. I'm sorry, American 83. Navy 69. Say intentions. Navy 69 is 12 nautical miles northwest of Catalina at 34,400 feet, requesting flight following to San Clemente. Navy 69, proceed on course to San Clemente. Proceed on course, Navy 69. Navy 69. Climb and maintain flight level 440. American 83. Turn right heading 290. Turn right heading 290. American 83. American 83. Please follow instructions. American 83. Request frequency change. You're welcome. American 83. Turn left heading 280. Turn left heading 280. American 83. Sokol approach. Jordanian 799. With you. Navy 69. Frequency change approved. Good day. Jordanian 799. Roger. Frequency change approved. Navy 69. Good day. Jordanian 799. Roger. American 83. You're in an active airspace. Please contact Sokol approach on 124.5. Thank you. Good day. Frontier Flight 975. Holding short runway 06 right. Delta 26. Los Angeles Tower, Navy 22 is 2 nautical miles to the east at 1,300 feet, inbound for touch and go. American 83, do not exceed 250 knots. Do not exceed 250 knots. American 83. American 83, turn right heading 280, climb and maintain 12,000. Unable, American 83. Sockle approach, Air Force 17, with you. American 83, climb and maintain 9,500. Air Force 17, roger. Unable, American 83. Air Force 17 is 3 nautical miles northeast of Canover Air at 15,600 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 left at Los Angeles. American 83, say intentions. American 83, requesting descent to 5,500. American 83, descend and maintain 6,000. Descend and maintain 6,000. American 83. Delta 59 is 7 nautical miles northwest of Santa Paula at 10,500 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 06 left at Los Angeles. American 83, increase speed to 240 knots. Unable, American 83. Los Angeles Tower, American 83 is 7 nautical miles to the south at 6,500 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 07 right. American 83, number 1, runway 07 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 07 right, American 83. Cathay 981, frequency change approved. Good day. Frequency change approved. Cathay 981. Good day. Delta 26. Contact Sockle departure on 124.3. Contacting Sockle departure on 124.3. Delta 26. Los Angeles Tower, Navy 22 is 2 nautical miles to the east at 1,400 feet, inbound for touch and go. Navy 22, number 2, runway 07 right, cleared to land. American 83, is on right base runway 07 right. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 07 right, Navy 22. Los Angeles Tower, Aeromexico 277, ready for takeoff at runway 06 right, departing north. American 83, roger. Aeromexico 277, runway 06 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 06 right, Aeromexico 277. Navy 22, is on right base runway 07 right, full stop. Southwest 7311, contact Sockle departure on 124.3. Navy 22, roger. Navy 22, number 2, traffic to follow is on final. Number 2, behind the traffic on final, Navy 22. Thank you, good day, Aeromexico 277. Aeromexico 277, thank you, good day. Los Angeles Tower, Navy 22 is 4 nautical miles to the west at 1,200 feet, inbound for touch and go, requesting runway 07 right. Navy 22, number 1, runway 07 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 07 right, Navy 22. Navy 22, number 1, runway 06 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 06 right, Navy 22. American 83, is on final runway 07 right. American 83, roger.
$500, $400, $300, $200.
Contacting Sacal departure on 124.3, Aeromexico 277.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Los Angeles Tower, Navy 22, ready for takeoff at runway 07 right, remaining in the pattern. Navy 22, line up and wait runway 07 right. Los Angeles ground. American 83, cross runway 25 right. Crossing runway 25 right, American 83. Los Angeles ground, American 1823, ready to taxi to runway 07 left. American Los Angeles ground, American 1823, ready to taxi to runway 07 left. American 1823, taxi to runway 07 left. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 07 left.